151, Active Tile, Part 2. We've added a tile size exponent to Eddy Game Editor. Detecting the Shift and Control key presses within the down event for the editor within the key masked namespace. We've reordered the minus and plus key detection like a sane person, minus then plus. You must now hold down the Shift key while holding down the minus key to zoom out. Otherwise, we are going to cycle backwards through the tile size exponents loaded into the editor. For the plus key, you must hold down the Shift to zoom in now. Otherwise, without the Shift key held, you are going to go to the next tile size exponent. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. You can get the source code for this video here. You have been on this playlist. More detail in this longer playlist here. Video 151. Like and subscribe.